Hello, my friends of RC. I want to wish you all of us happy new 24 year. I hope for me and for you all, the best, better than the last one, always better. Well, this video is to show you my machine, Weeloader, the sound I just put on it, and I changed a few things. I don't know if you can see the name and the number of the cars here. See, this is everyone knows this sound. Everyone, well, actually, people, of course. I'm going to show you what the configurations I just changed myself on it, and I want you to let me know if you like what I've done to the sound. The purpose in here is for you to hear the sound and tell me what about, if it is okay. I like it, but okay, so well, let's put it work. It's okay now to everything connected, I think. The thing here is I have to put it up and play the thing at the same time. Not gonna be easy. Well, for me to show you the sound, I have to put the wheels up because I have to find the left hand and the control in the right one. So to show you that, okay, let's go. That's the backwards. That's maximum. That's backwards. Now it's front wheels. It's very powerful. It's planetary each wheel. It's about 20 kilograms. I don't know yet for sure, but I think it's about that. One day I'm gonna try to see how it is. That's the bit of tone I like it. Gets stronger. Brr. See this echo? Very nice. I like it. That table is just shaking. Look at that. Whoa, 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 whoa. It really looks real, man. That's what I think. Look at it. You heard that? Shaka, 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 shaka. It really looks the sound of that machine. I think. That is the exhaust noise. Well, and then let me know what you think about it. Okay? I like it. Again, I wish you a happy new year. Bye. Love you all. Bye-bye.